Hey everybody, so today I'm really excited to share with you guys this new fancy toaster that I just got. This LCD screen on this. This is awesome. It has 6 different shades for your toast levels. You can have 6 different types of toasting, so you can like really kind of pinpoint down what you're putting in here. A waffle, pastries, bread, English muffins, bagels, so on and so forth. You can choose between your shade levels, which I absolutely love. Defrost here, change the bread type. There's a reheat button. The one thing that I really like about it is that you can do the setting for both sides, so this left and right. This is a 4 toast slot. They're extra wide, right? So for bagels or for pastries, things like that. That's another huge thing I love about it, extra wide. And then you can program the 2 on the right to do something and the 2 on the left to do something. So they can be, you can be toasting completely different things. So this is like a hamburger bun. This is the only white piece of bread that I have. So go ahead and put it on this side. Let's see how well it toasts. So for level 3, it's saying it's going to take about 3 minutes for this side to be done. A countdown even. I've never had a toaster that had a countdown. I cancel it if I want. It's just showing that it's got the right side. And here's the cool feature, right? If we push this button, we can kind of go back to where we were, and then we can change our settings. So I want my bottom bun not very crispy. I do want my top bun though pretty crispy. Demonstration purposes. Put it down, and then this one will go ahead and start timing. Now you can see here, this is on the left side, so if we want to check to see how the time is going on the right side, come back over here. So let's see how well this does at toasting to those desired levels. Okay, so that left side is finishing up right now. Popped up, give me a little jingle, let me know. And then we'll go back over to the right side, let's see how well it did. So there we go, lightly toasted, just like I wanted, just like number 2 picture actually even showed. So then now here was level 3. I would say, wow, I'm really impressed with how accurate that is on far as the color shading. I didn't think it was gonna be that accurate, but all in all, I'm super happy about it. This is definitely a great addition to our kitchen. So if you're looking to level up your toasting game, this is definitely what I suggest. So hope this helps. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.